Good morning to one and all present here. The thought of the day is never stop learning because life never stop teaching. I repeat my thought. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Thank you, Karsi Cadet Tanmay Saklani, course SSG 9th.
Good morning everyone. Today new headlines are as follows. First, some international news. In UP, 40 years old accidentally shoot self-die. Second, yoga belongs to no one religion or culture. Second, international news. Expensive Indian Russia defense agreement next month. Second, Omicron spread cases in Netherlands, Denmark and Australia. Third, some sport news. Argentina, Germany makes their wares into quarters. PSG victory married by Magmar and Ankle injury. Thank you, Karsi Cadet Yash Maurya, class 6th, course science school, Ghodakhala.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, topic of my speech is Armed Forces. Indian Army is the last land-based army and the longest component of the Indian Armed Forces. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of Indian Army Forces. The Indian Army Day is celebrated on 1 April every year. Thank you, Karsi Cadet Madhav Khanna, course SSG 9.
Good morning everyone. Today's word of the day is nuance. Nuance, part of speech noun, meaning a quality of someone that is not easy to notice but may be important. Synonyms: detail, refinement. Antonyms: unimportant. Thank you, Karsi Cadet Somil Kumar, course Sainik School, Ghodakhala 9th.
Assembly, Southern, Stars,